How to use coupons on Joyagoo website. So hello guys, welcome back from my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily use coupons on your Joyagoo. So first, just head over to your joyagoo.com and make sure you are logged in to your account. Now simply head over to your profile icon and just head over to my account section. And once inside here, you can see there is option regarding your redeem code. So you can basically choose or try your luck using any one of these codes, the valid coupon codes, and you can just click on exchange, and if it's valid, you can easily exchange it, and under this coupon used or coupon expired section, you can basically see whichever coupon you have used or whichever coupon you have expired. So you can try any other coupons as well to try your luck and exchange it as a bonus. You can see there is option called reward. You can basically tap on this and see if you have shared your package, and you can just claim it from over here or apply for the reward. So that is exactly how we do it, guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.